Every year on Remembrance Sunday, we wear poppies, remembering those that have made the ultimate sacrifice in the service of their country. On Sunday, the 11th of November at 11 o'clock, we, along with the rest of our nation, will be commemorating the centenary of the signing of the armistice, ending the First World War, and will once again be wearing our poppies. Now, why is the poppy, and not some other flower such as the rose, the symbol of remembrance? Well, during the First World War, much of the fighting took place in Western Europe, and previously beautiful countryside was blasted, bombed, and fought over again and again. The landscape swiftly turned to fields of mud, bleak and barren vistas where little would grow. After a long cold winter, the weather around Ypres in Belgium was unusually warm in the spring of 1915, and soon bright red poppies sprung up everywhere. These delicate but resilient flowers grew in their thousands, flourishing even in the middle of the chaos and destruction. Now, the Jersey branch of the Royal British Legion, along with all other branches throughout the world, have been asked to pay tribute to all those who lost their lives in the First World War by planting Flanders poppy seeds on their own land. I'm delighted to say that here in Jersey we have been supported by a local company, Jersey Choice, a business who cultivate plants here on the island, enabling the island to take part in the Royal British Legion's National Poppy Planting Campaign. These little poppies will grow and flower during the summer to provide a stunning display and a lasting memory for everyone to enjoy. I'm now going to ask Hannah Daniels from the Jersey College for Girls to read McCrae's special and poignant poem, In Flanders Fields, the poem that gave the inspiration to adopt the poppy, this delicate but resilient flower, as a symbol of remembrance, hope, rebirth, and memory for the fallen.
In Flanders fields, the poppies blow, between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky, the larks, still bravely singing, fly, scarce heard amid the guns below. We are the dead. Short days ago we lived, felt dawn, saw sunsets glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe, to you from failing hands we throw the torch, be yours to hold it high. If ye break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep, though poppies grow in Flanders fields.
The Royal British Legion is mainly, of course, in my mind, about helping those who are ex-servicemen and women and their families who fall on hard times. And the Legion is extremely good at making sure that those members are looked after when they can no longer perhaps look after themselves as well as they used to be.
We came down here to plant some poppies in remembrance of the soldiers who died and are suffering.
Well, the poppies are used because they remember the soldiers who died and got hurt from the war, and the poppies grow on the land where the soldiers died. Some of the soldiers died, so that's why we have the poppies.
I think it's terribly important that everyone realises that we're very lucky. We live in a very free society. People may not think it, but we do. And a lot of that is down, obviously, to what happened in that period.
I think they're going to be quite pretty.
I think they'll grow into nice poppies
for people to enjoy.
poppy, of course, which is the symbol of remembrance, but also the symbol of the future. It's meant to be reminding people that at the end of the 100 years of the First World War celebrations, we have something to keep, but something to remember for the future as well.
It's a really big symbolism for everyone, and thinking about how it's affected so many people, and this one flower shows so much significance for the whole remembrance itself, which is really special.